Muhammad Ali said, "To be great champion, you must believe you're the best. If not, pretend you are." Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Everyday Essential 101. Today we have a topic to discuss. It's about believing in yourself. It is easier to say, but it is very hard to do. But it's a very important part of your life. Believing in yourself starts with recognizing your strengths and weaknesses and your capabilities as well. Many successful individuals in their life face challenges, but they believe in themselves and their abilities propel them to move forward in their life. And remember, you're a unique person and you have your own unique capabilities. So always believe in yourself, because no one in your life will believe in you until and unless you believe in yourself. Overcoming self-doubt can be tough, but it is very vital for growth. Surround yourself with positive people so you get positive energies from them. Set realistic goals. Self-belief is like a muscle. The more you exercise it, the better you get at it. There are so many famous people or personalities, those who believed in themselves and despite facing a lot of challenges. Example is like Oprah Winfrey, Elon Musk, who is the founder of Tesla and SpaceX, to Muhammad Ali, who is the best champion of all time, and then Drake. They all believed in themselves. These are true and inspiring stories which made them believe in themselves, and then they achieve what they wanted to achieve in their life. And it also shows us to never give up on yourself. If you look around, we are surrounded by thousands of successful people who walk around us, and those who are very successful in their life. But they all believed in themselves. No matter how hard their life is, no matter how long it took them to be successful in their life, but they believed in themselves. And that's one common thing they all had in common. They kept on pushing together and harder. There's so many examples we can talk about, but one of the most known example is of J.K. Rowling, the author of the Harry Potter series. Despite facing a lot of criticism, despite facing numerous rejection from publishers, she persevered and she kept on pushing herself and never gave up on her dream of becoming a successful writer. Rowling believed in herself and her story and her ability, and the most important, she believed in herself. She believed that what she wrote is good, and she believed it, and she became one of the most published author in the world, the most influential author in the world. We all like to eat. We all like to go outside and eat. You remember KFC? The person who opened KFC, he was at the age of 62 when he was successful in opening KFC and the first branch. So there is no set time, there is no set age to be successful. But the only thing which is set is commitment and determination and self-belief, that you believe in yourself. When you will walk on this path of successful people, it is a very hard part. Believe me, it's a very hard part, but you have to keep on walking. There will be a lot of stones you have to turn. There will be a lot of obstacles. You might not be having food to eat sometimes, or you might be having so much lack of confidence, but you have to believe in yourself that the days changes. And you have to believe in yourself that you can do it, because there's nothing in the world, if you believe in yourself, you cannot achieve.
Muhammad Ali once said, "I hated every minute of training, but I said, don't quit, suffer now and live the rest of your life as a champion."
Now let's explore practical tips to enhance self-belief. First, embrace failure as stepping stone to success. Second, proactive positive affirmation daily. Third, visualize yourself being successful in the goal you want to achieve in your life. Always surround yourself with positive people in your life. If you surround yourself with positive people in your life, sometimes it only takes that ignition, that first spark to be successful, because they believe in you. And sometimes because someone is believing in yourself, make you believe in yourself even more. Always surround yourself with positive people, those who want you to be successful, not with people those who don't want you to be successful. Because if you have a company of people, or you company people those who are very unsuccessful in their own life and they don't believe in themselves, then you will have the same kind of thought, the same kind of energy in yourself. Believing in yourself is a journey that requires patience and perseverance. Remember, it's okay to stumble along the way to be successful. Embrace challenges as stepping stones and opportunities for growth, and self-belief as your anchor to keep moving forward in your life. Alright guys, thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Please hit the bell icon there, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you do not miss any of the inspiring videos we make coming forward. Please give it a big thumbs up. Until then, keep smiling and keep believing in yourself.